What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man. I'm back with another video today. Finally got into the swing of recording some videos. Hopefully I'll get back into the habit. Most of the reason I want to, well, there's two reasons, but most of the reason I want to get back into the habit is so that I can bring you a word from my sponsor with the shoes, but also because I got this giant stack of shoes over here, man. I got junk everywhere. All right, I've already got the shoes opened because I got 3 shoes in this video. Yeezy Day, or if that's what we want to call it, for Yeezy Day 23 was crazy. We're used to taking all these L's from Adidas and the confirmed app, but man, they're just throwing us a bunch of W's. And I got 6 pairs, 3 of them are here now. It's a little bit of a snafu with all of the shipping, but 3 of them have made it here so far. But before I go any further, a word from our sponsor. This is Romans 4:25. This is something I think about sometimes, kind of frequently, but and I think there are many reasons. I don't think this is the only reason, but when we think about Jesus died for our sins on the cross, and then he was resurrected a couple days later. But why did he need to resurrect? Why did he need to be resurrected? Why did he need to come back? And this is Romans 4:25. It says Jesus was delivered up because of our offenses, and he was raised because of our justification. And one of the ways to think about this is, if I had broken the law, did something really bad, and I was sentenced to jail time, and there was somebody in the courtroom that day that said, "Judge, let me do the jail time for him." I mean, it's crazy to think about that because nobody would ever do that. But he said, "Judge, let me do the jail time for him." And the judge was like, "Okay, you can do the jail time for him." I'll say it was a year. Seeing that person out of jail after a year would be the proof and the evidence to me that my sentence had been completed. All of my punishment was done and over with, and give me the, it would give me the, what do you call it? You don't have no idea what I'm talking about, do you?
I do.
It would give me the reassurance that it was over and done with, and I didn't need to worry about it anymore. That's one of the reasons that we can look at, or that Jesus was resurrected. That comes from Scripture. That he was. What did I say? He was raised because of our justification. That was in one of my devotionals the other day, and it spoke to me. Thought I wanted to bring that to y'all. All right, Yeezy Day was crazy. I got 3 pairs of Yeezys in. I'm gonna save this one for last. So far, I've already got 3 in. One of these is for a buddy of mine, Trevor. I may end up keeping this one. So I had the Beluga reflective, but I had a size 11 and it was too small. Maybe I had a size 12, and it may even still be over there. Got a size 7 in a Yeezy. I got a size 12 in a blue tint. And I got a size 12. I do have it. Oh my gosh, I got a Beluga size 12 up there. I think that's no, that's a slide. 7. Okay. I think I just got the blue tip. And I wish I could have gotten the blue tints. I actually wish I really could have gotten the zebras, but I didn't hit on. That was one thing I went for I didn't hit on. But I want another pair of 350s to wear, and 11.5 is really my size. So I may end up wearing these. What do you think? I don't think you really like the shape. What do you think about the color?
I really like the color. The orange does make, like, the bright orange does look really good on it.
Yeah. That
shape does look pretty good for it.
You like the shoe as a whole?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Your mom might have one, or Haley might have one you can wear.
And then on, like, not only the orange, like, line against it, is there's some orange specks there.
So I like this one. I will probably end up keeping this one because the other 350 over here is for my buddy, and none of us hit on the zebras. So let's leave this one right here. We're gonna get this one out. I think I've had another pair like this too. This is the pair. I didn't want these, but Trevor wanted them, so I got them for him. This is just an all black pair. You don't like it?
No.
Trevor, sorry, Atticus doesn't like it. It's just an all black pair. Like, there's nothing much to it.
Yeah.
All black. I actually didn't even get a chance to go for the Pirates. So I mean, they're not bad, but I definitely like the color of the orange. So if you like black shoes, a lot of people like all black. They're easy to wear.
Yeah.
350. That'll do it for you. One more.
I think I got
2 colorways of the foam. This is a foam box. foam runner box, and one pair, and Trevor got one pair of the slides. So I think I'm gonna do a little bit of trading. He's gonna get this 350. I'm gonna get, I think, 3 pairs of foams. I'll end up having 3 pairs of foams and a slide. So I'm probably gonna keep this one, although I'm not sure if this is my size. Cool box. The box has like nothing on the outside basically, and it says on the inside. And R&R down here. See R&R down there for foam runner. I have a different pair of the MX foam runners. This one is MX Cinder.
I like those.
You do?
Mm-hmm. Look good.
Do you like mine? My other ones?
Those, like, I kind of like them, but not as much as these. These look really good.
Because they're blue.
And I like how the blue and the black is put together.
Blue, black, gray, and brown. There's some brown in there too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do.
It's like a camo-ish.
I'm pretty sure the pair that I have are a size 11. This is a size 11. He went for a size 12. I think Trevor went for the size 12 in the foams. I went for the size 11s because I said go for the 12 in the slides, because I definitely need a 12 in the slides, and then 11 and a half here. So we'll be able to do some trading. So if this isn't what the size that fits me, because the pair that I have are not real and these are real. So there could be some differences in the way they fit. It's a little bit tight right up here in my toes, like on the tip of my.
Yeah, it's more like a pointer.
And my pointy and my pinky toe. So these are pretty cool. They look like kind of crazy, and I know a lot of people don't like them. And I mentioned a minute ago that I'm gonna wear these fishing. These are actually what I wear fishing over the summer, and my fishing buddies think I'm stupid. They'll probably still think I'm stupid with these too, but at least there's a good fish.
Maybe
there's a fishing theme to them. Although, I mean, these are like, some people do wear, what are they called? Crocs?
Yeah.
Yeah, some people do wear Crocs when they fish, but these are a whole lot more comfortable than Crocs as long as they're not hurting your toes. So.
And the fish things, or the, what were the other shoes? Those, what were they called?
The trout dunks?
Yeah, the trout dunks. Maybe they'll give you some good luck on fishing.
Maybe they'll give me some good luck, you're right. All right, well, I mean, these are run-of-the-mill 350s, run-of-the-mill foam runner. The 350s, they're almost all built exactly the same. The mono ice, and there's a couple different colorways of that model of 350 V2. A little bit that are made a little bit different, but these have the prime net. I think this is called upper, so they're just really basic. There's not a whole lot to them, just some different colors here and there. Couple new shoes that I've got up here, but a bunch I still need to get rid of. I gotta get rid of so many shoes over here, but glad that I get this video out to you. Glad that I could get you a word from our sponsor. Smash that like button if you're enjoying watching any of these videos for any reason. Smash the like button for me even if you don't.
You've got to do something.
Tell your grandma?
Yeah, and smell the shoes.
Oh, these don't smell.
Oh.
I mean, they smell okay, but
That one probably doesn't smell like anything.
that one smells bad. But tell your grandma about these Yeezy 350s. Your grandma made love Kanye and love Kanye shoes, so make sure you tell her about them. I don't know. There's still not a big word or a lot of word on the street whether Kanye is gonna continue making Yeezys with Adidas. But I think based on the amount of stock that dropped, like how many of these we were able to hit on it, most people were able to hit on it. Pretty much whatever they wanted. I think that they did away with everything that they've got because they want to distance themselves from him and get over it. They needed to sell all the stock that they had and not lose what was billions of dollars on the stock that they had, but I don't think they want to do any more business with them. Could be wrong though. We may still get more. I think it'd be cool if we got more because I do like 350s and I like foams and I like slides, and my foams and slides are both kind of dirty. I was thinking about trying to pressure wash my slides because I've got the green glow slides and they're just gross. The other MX that's purplish.
Those aren't as bad.
They're not as dirty, but they just don't show dirt.
Yeah.
But I need some nice and clean pair. So anyways, smash that like button if you're enjoying any of this stuff. Thanks for being here. Tell your grandma again. Comment down below. Make sure you sub. See y'all next time.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Choose.
Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute.